Mao Zedong, sometimes written as Mao Zedong, was a Chinese communist revolutionary, politician, and theorist who played a key role in the establishment of the People's Republic of China in 1949. He served as the chairman of the Communist Party of China from 1949 until his death in 1976, as well as the chairman of the Central Military Commission from 1945 to 1976. Mao's ideology, which combined elements of Marxism-Leninism with his own ideas, came to be known as Maoism. Under his leadership, China underwent a significant social, economic, and political transformation, including land reforms, collectivization of agriculture, and the Great Leap Forward campaign, which aimed to rapidly industrialize the country's economy. Mao's leadership style was authoritarian and often characterized by mass mobilization campaigns and purges of perceived political opponents. The Cultural Revolution, launched by Mao in 1966, was a decade-long period of political and social upheaval that caused widespread chaos and violence in China. Despite his controversial legacy, Mao remains a significant figure in Chinese history and is revered by some as a national hero and revolutionary icon.